Let's be honest, nail fungus isn't exactly dinner table conversation. But if you've ever dealt with it or know someone who has, you know how stubborn and annoying it can be. That's where JUBLIA comes into the picture. It's one of the most talked about treatments for onychomycosis, aka nail fungus, and for good reason. But what exactly is JUBLIA, and why does everyone from your dermatologist to your neighbor swear by it? Whether you're currently using it, considering it, or just curious, this blog's for you. Let's break down the top 10 facts about JUBLIA. Number 1. JUBLIA is specifically made for toenail fungus. First things first. JUBLIA, generic name efinaconazole, is an antifungal medication, but it's not your typical pill or powder. It's a topical solution made specifically for treating fungal infections of the toenails. That means you don't have to swallow anything, just paint it on like nail polish. The cool part? It's formulated to penetrate through the hard surface of your nail, getting right to the source of the fungus. That's something not all topical treatments can do effectively. Number 2. It's prescription only in most countries. Thinking of walking into your local drugstore and grabbing a bottle of JUBLIA off the shelf? Not so fast. In most countries, including the US and Canada, JUBLIA is a prescription-only medication. You'll need to visit a healthcare provider who can properly diagnose your nail condition and determine if JUBLIA is the right fit for you. Number 3. It's been FDA approved since 2014. JUBLIA isn't some trendy fly-by-night product. It's been around for over a decade and was approved by the US Food and Drug Administration (FDA) in 2014. That means it went through plenty of testing and trials before hitting the pharmacy shelves. It's also backed by real data showing it works. More on that in a bit. Number 4. You'll need patience. It's not an overnight fix. If you're hoping to wake up tomorrow with clear, healthy nails after using JUBLIA, sorry to burst your bubble, but it doesn't work like that. Since nails grow slowly, JUBLIA takes time to show visible results. Treatment typically lasts 48 weeks. Yes, almost a year with daily application. It's a long-term commitment, but many users say the payoff is worth it. If you stick with it consistently, you're giving yourself the best shot at clearer nails. Number 5. No blood tests needed, like with oral antifungals. One of the biggest advantages of using a topical treatment like JUBLIA over oral antifungal pills is fewer potential side effects. Oral medications like terbinafine can affect the liver, so they often require regular blood tests to monitor liver function. With JUBLIA, no need for that. Since it's applied directly to the nail and not taken internally, it bypasses the liver altogether. This makes it a great option for people who can't or don't want to take pills. We made a book, 10 questions everyone should ask their pharmacist. You can find a link in the description below. Feel free to check it out. Number 6. It works best on mild to moderate infections. JUBLIA is most effective when used on mild to moderate fungal infections, especially if the fungus hasn't spread to the nail matrix, the root of the nail. If more than 50% of your nail is infected or it's deeply embedded, your doctor might suggest combining treatments or opting for oral medication instead. So if you spot early signs like discoloration, thickening, or brittleness, don't wait. Starting JUBLIA early can make a huge difference. Number 7. Yes, it can be pricey, but there are coupons and programs. Let's be real, JUBLIA isn't cheap. Depending on your insurance, a single bottle can cost several $100s. But don't give up hope. There are discount programs, manufacturer coupons, and even patient assistance programs that can lower your out-of-pocket costs. It's worth asking your doctor or pharmacist about these options, because no one wants to break the bank just to treat their toes. Number 8. It has some side effects, but they're usually mild. Like any medication, JUBLIA isn't side effect-free. The most commonly reported ones include redness, ingrown toenails, itching, and swelling around the application site. These side effects are usually mild and go away on their own. If you experience anything more serious, like intense burning or allergic reactions, definitely check in with your doctor. Number 9. Consistency is the secret sauce. Here's something most people don't realize. Missing doses can sabotage your progress. JUBLIA works best when applied daily, around the same time every day. Skipping applications or using it inconsistently reduces its effectiveness. Some people find it helpful to tie it into their nightly routine, like brushing teeth or washing your face. It only takes a minute to apply, and making it a habit can seriously improve your results over time. Number 10. Success rates aren't 100%, but they're solid. No treatment is perfect, and JUBLIA is no exception. Clinical trials showed that around 15 to 18% of people had completely clear nails after 48 weeks. But here's the good news. Many more experienced significant improvement, even if the nail wasn't 100% clear. It may not magically cure every single case, but for many users, it gets them close enough and boosts their confidence in the process. If you're looking for a non-invasive, liver-friendly, and easy-to-use treatment for toenail fungus, JUBLIA might just be your MVP. Just keep in mind that it's a slow and steady journey. You'll need a prescription, some patience, and a good memory or reminder app to apply it daily. Everyone's nails are different, and what works like a charm for one person might be less effective for another. But hey, if it gives you a shot at clear, healthy toenails without the side effects of oral meds, that's a pretty solid win. Hey, I'm Dr. V and welcome to my channel. Please check more of my videos about health and medications, and cheers to a healthy life.